This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to form a corporation, updated. Gather your articles of incorporation, pick a registered agent, and file with your state immediately. Start by choosing a clear business name and structure, like a C corporation or S corporation, then draft bylaws and issue initial stock. Keep corporate minutes and separate finances to protect limited liability. I'll walk you through the key forms and typical timelines in friendly, practical steps. Gather the legal documents you need and complete filings in the right order to avoid delays. Start with articles of incorporation, then adopt bylaws and designate directors at your first meeting. Issue stock, record ownership, and obtain an EIN so you can open a business bank account and hire employees. Register for state taxes and permits specific to your industry. I'll explain common pitfalls and simple tips to stay compliant and organized. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes reading business guides and statutes easy when you're on the go, which I find handy while forming entities. Check the description for the link and other deals to compare options. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Understanding taxes and ongoing compliance keeps your corporation in good standing and reduces surprises. Decide early whether to remain a C corporation or elect S corporation status, then follow filing deadlines closely. File annual reports, pay franchise taxes, and hold regular board meetings with recorded minutes. Keep corporate funds separate from personal accounts and maintain proper accounting. I'll share practical compliance checklists and simple record-keeping habits that save time and headaches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.